Onshape is a product development platform that combines computer-aided design, data management, collaboration tool, and real-time analytics. Onshape is used by companies all over the world to design products that they then bring to market. As a result, learning Onshape will enable your students to use design to express their own ideas and to develop important skills for their future careers. Since Onshape is cloud-based, it solves many of the problems inherent in traditional CAD platforms. Traditional CAD platforms require expensive PCs and computer labs and require substantial IT hours to equip and maintain them. Students are tethered to the lab to complete all their work, unable to continue developing outside of school time. If students are fortunate enough to have their own devices that can run CAD, they often end up running different versions or platforms, resulting in difficulty collaborating and turning in assignments due to compatibility issues. Using CAD in the cloud has transformed how engineers, educators, and students work. Onshape provides both time and cost savings and makes CAD accessible to more people than ever before. Onshape's cloud-based design means zero downloads, zero installation, and zero licensing. New users just open a browser, create an account, and they're in. Students can collaborate in real time, just as they are accustomed to doing with online document editors such as Google Docs. Onshape keeps a complete history of changes, so students will never lose work or overwrite each other's data. In fact, Onshape is often referred to by users as the Google Docs of CAD. Using Onshape in your classroom provides new and effective ways to scaffold assignments, organize student work, collaborate, and provide feedback. Onshape will enable you to spend less time on administration and more time designing.